What's up, everybody? Jacob from MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida, and I'm standing next to one of Boston Whaler's iconic models. This is personally my favorite model that Boston Whaler offers. This is the 270 Dauntless. Now, if you're familiar with Boston Whaler, you will know that they are the unsinkable legend. You could cut this boat into 4 different sections, and each section of it will float. This one has a glacier green outside. There are a variety of different colors that you can choose from. As we move down a little bit, you'll notice that this one comes with the optional side entry door. Some people like to call them the tuna door, but most commonly I've seen them used more at docking, getting in and out of the boat for just a simple ease of entry and exiting. This one is paired with twin 225 Mercury outboards, 4 strokes, very reliable. They're gonna get you to where you wanna go and back safely. Let's go check out the inside now. All right, and this is back section of the boat. This one has the upgraded leaning post seam. Flip up bolsters, offers excellent comfortability as you're driving the boat. On the back section over here, as you follow me, you'll notice that the back of the leaning post does have a live well, as well as a wash down little sink area, a cup holder, and 2 additional rod holders on the back. This boat is set up very much for fishing as well as entertaining. On the back section, you have 4 additional rod holders and a flip down back bench seat. When flipped down, as you see here, offers a great casting platform for any type of fishing that you want to do. Now, if we're not fishing and we have extra guests with us, simple pull flip up, very spacious back bench seat for multiple guests to sit and ride comfortably. As we move forward to the center, this one has twin Garmin screens, the Garmin autopilot, Mercury vessel view, so you always know your components on your Mercury, Fusion audio system, the Gen 2 digital throttle system from Mercury. Very, very smooth and effortless transition in and out of gears. This one does have Lenco trim tabs, as well as the hard T-top above us with the retractable shirt shade. The shirt shade is very helpful for those days like today. There's no clouds in the sky, it's very hot, offers maximum shade and extends your day on the water. Let's move up to the front. Yeah, bet you didn't think that a boat like this could have a full enclosed head. This one does. And as we keep moving forward, one of the biggest features of this boat that I love the most personally is this coffin box. For one, it's a great lounge area for your guests who are just cruising, hanging out. Has 2 cup holders on the side, so you always have a place to put your drink. But the fishing side of me really enjoys the amount of storage that this offers. Right now, we have all the pads in there, but you can see that with all the pads, it's plenty of enough space to keep them all here. There is a bow filler station storage compartment, which is this piece right here, which would slide right into the top of the lid. So there's always a place for something. And as you can see, we have it set up right now for fishing. This is the bow filler placement in, which allows me to step up here and have a full casting platform. But like I mentioned earlier, if we have guests, you can put cushions on them. You can see the little snap ports for them. Throw cushions on there. And if you wanted more lounging space, these are flip up backrests. Offers great comfortability and just great cruising for around here. This boat does come with the Minn Kota iPilot trolling motor as well. And one thing that I also forgot to mention while we were on the outside of the boat, because you can get a much better angle up here, is this boat comes with a forward boarding ladder. This is one of the only few boats that does have the aft entry boarding ladder as well as the front boarding ladder. Again, this is my favorite boat that Boston Whaler has. It's a great usable boat around our area between inshore fishing and offshore fishing, as well as just evening cruising with their friends and family. If you'd like to come see this boat, know more about it, come see me at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Again, I'm Jacob Wright. Contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank you.